we are just sitting in the bus waiting for the next one to come, and I'm so tired and it is so hot. Wish they could just keep a small hand fan at least. So guys, stay tuned for when we reach the hotel. Perfect amount of sleep, perfect excitement, and I'm fresh. I ate my breakfast and I'm so happy. We'll see you in the fort.
So happy I have got this beautiful Ultra HD wide angle. My phone got just upgrade before leaving Bangalore. So I'm very happy. So guys, we just finished visiting this place called Jaswant. From now it's a walkable distance to Mehrangarh Fort, so which we are going to do now. But it's a long walk, guys. People have misguided on. Hold on. People in YouTube and Google, everywhere it says it's walkable. However, it is walkable if you have energy to walk around, but it is quite fast. I would suggest to take an auto. They don't charge too much, guys. They charge you 100 rupees to take you to Mehran Fort, which we are doing now. And yes, of course, mask is must, so ensure that you're having mask on. This is Rao Jodha Desert Rock Park, which we just saw, and now we are going to Mehran Fort, which is right in front of. Sorry, Velika, I thought that auntie is you. Elevator 50 charge. Oh, they have elevator. Oh, lovely.
Mehrangarh is known for its beautiful architecture, forbidden walls and culture heritage. It's one of the most magnificent fort in Rajasthan. Jodhpur is also known as Blue City because all the buildings in the oldest district are painted in light blue shade. Mehrangarh Fort covers area of 1200 acre. Inside its boundary, there are several palaces known for their intricate carvings and expansive courtyard, as well as a museum housing various relics. A winding road leads to the below city, which is Blue City. This gallery is displayed one of the most important and best preserved collections of fine and applied arts of Mughal period of Indian history, during which Rathod, the ruler of Jodhpur, maintained close link with the Mughal emperor.
फूलों की पेंटिंग्स इसलिए इसको फूल महल कहते हैं। इसको जो 1724 में 1724 में हमारे यहाँ के महाराजा अभय सिंह जी ने बनाया था।
So guys, we just changed our dress, got some rest, and now we are heading for lunch. That's Velika here.
And I wore my favorite shoes.
She took my shoes basically.
No, that's not yours. That's
mine.
for sure not yours.
That's my shoes, and she's already taken. And yeah, now we're going for lunch. Wow, there is a swimming pool. Work. It's dirty. Very dirty. It is dirty, and now we are going for. Where are we going? We went on a wrong.
You have no idea for
No.
a second.
No, of course I have an idea here. But the thing is we went on a wrong direction. Sorry. Velika was about to fall. I'm so sorry. sorry.
It's okay, no problem.
Let's go. So we're going for lunch and there is a rooftop cafe which is near to our hotel room. We are going there and and it's quite sunny and by the time it gets slightly in the evening you need to have a sweater with you, so now it's not required. We're
But for
wearing
the day, you should keep shorts, frocks, like some skirts.
Yeah.
Please keep that, and then sure to keep some gloves, scarves, mufflers.
No.
For the evening time when it gets quite cold.
You don't need it for Jodhpur, you need it for Udaipur and Jaisalmer basically because it's very cold. There are beautiful shops around, you can see behind me there, those are the shopping market. I'll take you to the shopping market which is very nearby to our stay, and that is Ghantaghar, that's clock tower, and we'll be going there. After having lunch, we'll be heading to the Turji Ka Jhalra, which is the step well. I'll take you there. I'll see you at the restaurant. So guys, I am here at this shop which is a bangle shop with the name is Jetmal Ashok Kumar. So you should check out if you're coming to Jodhpur. They have beautiful store and they have some amazing collection, and I picked up these bangles. These are my bangle set which I picked up and very reasonable pricing. You should check out the place, guys. So guys, I just finished shopping bangles and now we are heading towards to have some sweet dish. Let me take you along with it. The roads are pretty narrow here and yeah. So the roads are pretty narrow. Everybody's seeing me that I'm vlogging. Hey guys, welcome back, and we extended our stay in Jodhpur by 2 days. I have beautiful parrots crossing by, so we wanted to experience more of heritage property. So we decided to stay here in this palace, which is Umaid Palace. It is owned by Maharaja Vijay Singh, which is the current Maharaja of Jodhpur, who has a section in Umaid Bhavan. They have like 60 rooms in Umaid Bhavan and 300 rooms is given to Umaid Bhavan Palace, where you have seen Nick Jonas and Priyanka's wedding. So it's converted into hotel. And another section is a museum part, which we went and saw. This is another palace which is super beautiful. Now I'm going to take you around to this beautiful palace. And yeah, and this is our anniversary celebration. So we are here in Umaid Bhavan Palace, Umaid Palace. So guys, we just ordered some food. This is our lunch: biryani and raita, salad. Yeah.
here. Wait, let's see here.
I know you very well. She was about to push me from back, and I was 100% sure about it.
3, 2, 1, go! Mama already taught me how to do swimming. Now she does not know. I go so high you will not even believe it.
So this was our last stay here in Jodhpur, and we had a beautiful sunset and also beautiful morning to witness, where we saw peacock and all about nature. I shall see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and next video I'll be there in Jaisalmer. Bye.